The wealth awakening. If you're not investing, you're funding someone else's wealth. In this scenario, you either win or you watch. The choice is yours. Every penny you spend is time stolen from your future freedom. Money talks, you listen. Hey there, young visionary. Today, I'm not going to talk to you like a banker, but like someone who's been there and done that. You've heard it, right? Invest your money, let it grow. But how? When? How much? Into what? I promise you, by the end of this video, the investment world won't be so confusing. In 5 simple steps, you'll lay down your own financial foundation. Whether you're 16 or 22, it's never too early or too late to start. If you're ready, let's step into the world of investment. Step 1. What is investing and why is it important? Investing, my friend, is making your money work for you. It's not gambling, it's strategy. Think of it like planting a seed, then watering it, waiting patiently. Months pass, years go by, and that seed turns into a tree. That's how investments grow. Key concepts: compound interest. Your money grows on its own by itself. Risk and return. You've got to take a little risk to get that big return. The power of time. Start early, and by 30, your money will be working while you sleep. Example story. Ali starts investing 500 Turkish lira per month at 19. By 30, he's invested 66,000 Turkish lira. But thanks to compound returns, his portfolio is now over 120,000 Turkish lira. That's an extra 54,000 Turkish lira without lifting a finger. This isn't magic, it's math. And you can do it too. Step 2. Don't shoot without setting a goal. Investing without a goal is like sailing with no compass. Why do you want to grow your money? Is it for college, a car, your family? Smart goals. Specific. I'll save 20,000 Turkish lira in 3 years. Measurable. I'll save 700 Turkish lira per month. Achievable. Be real with your income and expenses. Relevant. Make it something that aligns with your life. Time-bound. Set a deadline, for example, by 2027. Motivational, quote, yan. Money isn't everything, but it sure helps you do what matters most. Set your goal and let it lead you to freedom. Step 3. Getting to know investment tools. Investing is like a menu. There's a lot to choose from, but you've got to start somewhere. Investment options. Stocks. Risky but potentially rewarding. You buy a share of a company. ETFs. A basket of stocks. Less risky, more stable. Cryptos. Volatile but the new trend. Don't go too hard, 5% max. Bonds, just fixed deposits. Safe but low returns. Pro tip. Start with ETFs if you're a beginner. It's like having a diversified portfolio without the hassle. Step 4. Consistency equals the real key to wealth. Investing once is like working out once. Doesn't build muscle, does it? The real trick is consistency. Keep investing even when it feels hard. The magic formula. Decide dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every month or week. Doesn't matter if the market is up or down. You stay on track. Mental training. Every time you spend money without investing, think about how you just took a step away from your financial freedom. The more you invest, the more ownership you'll feel. Soon you'll be a partner in companies like Apple and Tesla without even working for them. Step 5. Protection and growth. Making money is one thing, but protecting and growing it is where the real challenge lies. Golden rules. Don't panic when the market drops. Remember, crises are just wealth transfers. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Keep learning. Podcasts, books, YouTube. Get as much knowledge as you can. Don't forget to invest in yourself. Your brain is your best asset. Book recommendations. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, Market Wizards, Jack D. Schwager, Principles of Investing, Ray Dalio. Bonus 3. Most common investment mistakes. 1. Waiting. I'll start investing when I have more money. Nope, start with what you have. 2. Putting all your money into crypto. Don't treat it like gambling. Be smart. 3. Investing without knowledge. Do your research. Don't just follow the crowd. And your closing. Time's passing, your future is waiting. Investing isn't just about making money, it's about gaining freedom. What you do today will shape your tomorrow. Whether you want to travel the world, build a family, or create a legacy, your investment choices will set the course. Take action now. Comment "I'm starting today" below. Like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Let's all win together. Your financial freedom starts today. Blast off money.